Calculate cash flow from financing activities from the given information. Now students, the information given here includes equity share capital as on 31st March 2010 and as on 31st March 2011, securities premium and debentures, along with some additional information which says that interest paid on debentures during the year is rupees 18,000. Now, just to recall a simple fact that financing activities includes all those activities which relate to capital employed or shareholders funds and long-term resources. So now, in this information, everything that is given is actually related to capital employed. Like share capital, securities premium, debentures, they are all part of capital employed, where debentures is a part of long-term borrowings. These two are part of shareholders funds. So now students, let us start with it. This is financing activity. So cash flow from financing activity, particulars and amount in rupees. Equity share capital. In previous year, the firm had equity share capital of rupees 9 lakh. But in this year, this amount has gone up to rupees 10 lakhs. That means that 1 lakh worth of shares have been issued in this year. I'll repeat that again. That is 1 lakh worth of equity shares have been issued in this year. Since they have been issued, it is an inflow because whenever we issue shares, we get cash for it. So, issue of shares or equity shares, 1 lakh is an inflow. Then students, the next entry is securities premium. In previous year, the securities premium balance was 2,50,000, whereas in this year it is 2,60,000. That means there is an increase of 10,000 rupees. Why and how come this increase is there? It is implied that whenever these shares were issued, they were issued at premium. So we are receiving premium. We'll write securities premium received. $10,000. Then we have 12% debentures. Debentures in the previous year were valued at 1,50,000, whereas in this year the value that appears in your balance sheet is 1 lakh. That means debentures worth rupees 50,000 have been redeemed during the year. Now we know that whenever we redeem debentures, we have to pay cash. So it is an outflow. So we'll write it as redemption of debentures, redemption of 12% debentures that is 50,000, and I'll put this figure in bracket. Brackets signify negative value. That means it is an outflow. Then coming to the adjustment, interest paid on debentures. Interest paid on debentures is an outflow on account of financing activities. So again it is an outflow. We'll write interest paid on debentures $18,000. So let us total it out. Add these two and subtract these two from this. 1,10,000 minus 50, that will be 60 minus 18 is 42,000. This 42,000 represents cash inflow from financing activities. Remember, had it been negative, it would have been cash outflow from financing activity.